Welcome to my channel. Today, I will be telling how I make my own toothpaste for me and my family for the past 4 years, no cavity at all. If you are interested, well, get your pen and paper ready, let's get started. Making your own natural toothpaste can be a fun and eco-friendly alternative to commercial toothpaste. Here's a simple recipe and explanation of how to make natural toothpaste. Ingredients. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that helps to clean teeth and remove stains. Coconut oil has natural antibacterial properties and can help improve mouth health. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil provides a refreshing flavor and leaves your mouth feeling fresh. Optional additions. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that can help prevent tooth decay. Activated charcoal can help whiten teeth, but use it sparingly as it can be abrasive. Instructions. Measure ingredients. Gather the ingredients in the right proportions. Here's a basic recipe. 2 tablespoons of baking soda. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. A few drops of peppermint essential oil. Optional, 1 to 2 tablespoons of xylitol or a pinch of activated charcoal. Mix ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the baking soda and coconut oil. Stir until you get a smooth paste-like consistency. Add flavor and sweetener. Add a few drops of peppermint essential oil for flavor. If you prefer a sweeter toothpaste, you can add xylitol at this stage. Mix well to evenly distribute the flavor and sweetener. Optional, add activated charcoal. If you want to make a charcoal toothpaste for teeth whitening, add a pinch of activated charcoal. Be careful not to use too much, as charcoal can be abrasive. Store. Transfer your natural toothpaste into a small, airtight container or a glass jar with a lid. Make sure to label it. Usage. To use, scoop out a small amount of the toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Brush your teeth as you normally would, making sure to spit out the toothpaste after brushing. Tips. This homemade toothpaste doesn't contain preservatives, so it's best to make small batches and use them within a few weeks. Be cautious with the amount of essential oils and other optional ingredients you add. Some people may be sensitive to strong flavors or abrasive additives. Adjust the recipe to your preferences. You can experiment with different essential oils like spearmint or cinnamon for variety. Remember that this homemade toothpaste doesn't contain fluoride, which is found in most commercial toothpaste. If you have specific dental concerns, consult your dentist before making the switch. Making your own natural toothpaste can be a fun and sustainable way to take care of your oral hygiene. Enjoy your natural and eco-friendly dental care routine. If you have questions, feel free to ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.